Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for September 23rd, 2024, Part 2. This week's theme is Fall. Penguin and Pumpkin by Salina Yoon. It was fall and very white on the ice, as always, which made Penguin curious. I wonder what fall looks like off the ice. Let's go to the farm and find out. Penguin's baby brother, Pumpkin, waddled over. Can I come see fall too? I'm sorry, Pumpkin, but it's too far for a fledgling. Grandpa agreed. Maybe next year, Pumpkin. I'm not a baby. Penguin, Bootsy, and their friends headed to the farm. Goodbye, Pumpkin. The journey was long as Penguin looked and looked and looked for signs of land. Finally, the penguins arrived. The farm was full of pumpkins. Every one reminded Penguin of his brother. You are the pumpkin of my dreams. Then Penguin looked up. Beautiful. This is perfect for Pumpkin. The penguins each picked out a pumpkin. Some were smooth, some were long, some were bumpy, some were curved. Every pumpkin was loved. Sweet dreams, dear pumpkin. Yawn. Penguin had a different idea. They rode back home with their fall harvest. Are we there yet? Zzz. The fall explorers were excited to share their treasures from the farm. Hey, Sleepy, you're awake. But where was Pumpkin? Penguin found a clue. What's this? Pumpkin, what are you doing over here? Munch, munch. Since you wouldn't let us come, we decided to have our own fall adventure. We imagined fall on the harvest moon, fall on spooky Saturn, and even fall on the red planet. You have a space-tacular imagination, said Penguin. Mothership calls, Pumpkin. Bye. But I wish I got to see what fall really looks like, Pumpkin sighed. See fall, thought Penguin. Wait right here, Pumpkin. Penguin took the crate up on a cliff. Grandpa and Bootsy followed a trail of leaves that led them right to Pumpkin. There you are. I brought you something. A pumpkin for Pumpkin, a perfect match. Thank you. Penguin finally returned. What does fall really look like? Asked Pumpkin eagerly. Look up, said Grandpa. Fall looks like snowing leaves. Wow. The end. Alright, we're going to make a straw painted pumpkin. And what you need is some paints. I have orange, yellow, and green because those are the colors I've seen pumpkins in. What I did was I took some liquid temper paint and then added water. It's about a 50-50 mix. And stirred it up with these craft sticks to make it liquidy. And your craft to go kit includes a pumpkin and a straw. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our straw, we're going to use it to get the paint. I'm going to use orange first. What you do is you put it in and then you put your finger over the top hole and it holds the paint in, and then just drip it on the pumpkin, and then you take your straw and you blow it. So here we go. Put a little green on there. maybe a little yellow. Get some more orange. Put some orange on the outside. And that's all there is to it. You get this really neat splash looking pumpkin. Some green up by the stem. That's all there is to it. That's your straw painted pumpkin.